All right, happy Sunday. Welcome, everyone. Let's go through our weekly watch list real quick. So we'll go ahead and start off with JPM. Banks remained strong during the sell off last week. We found JPM with some nice support here at the 151 level. If we can continue to hold that and test this resistance rail right here, break our all-time highs, and go ahead and aim for a 160 price target for myself. Now, let's go on to our next name, Facebook. All right. So we see with Facebook, we're just testing in between the 200 DMA and the 50 DMA. What we're looking is at an aggressive congestion area between 253.5.7 area and the 267 resistance area. If we can get a break of either direction, we should see some nice explosive movement to either side. Regardless, on the upside, if we can go ahead and test this resistance rail, that would be a nice little explosive movement as well. After that, we have PLTR. Alright. We have ourselves a messy falling wedge right here. We continue to find the 100 DMA as some nice support for PLTR. Every time we lose that, we have been finding aggressive moves to the downside, only being supported by the original rail, believe it or not. But every time we break that, you can scalp the downside. I would scalp the downside if I had the time. And if I see a break of the 25.6 area, why not? I'm going to play some 25.6, excuse me. Why not? I'm going to personally play some calls to the upside. Some weeklies for me. And last but not least, NFLX, a name I have been trying to play for the past 2 to 3 weeks straight. Now we see 556, 557 area found to be such a tricky area of resistance for NFLX. Couldn't break that and couldn't break the resistance overhead. We went ahead and lost the 50 DMA. Every time we lost that, we found an aggressive move all the way down to the 100 DMA. And once we lost that, found support around the 200 DMA as well. Now, we found a lot of buyers on Friday for the 200 DMA area, and we got bought back up over 500, saw 516. This is the level that I played on Thursday. Below 516, I aimed for 500. We indeed did get that on Friday, 500. Now, if we lose 500 again, I'm expecting some aggressive downside. And if we can get back over the 530 area, we can also get back over the 50 DMA and try to make a nice movement to the upside. Regardless of that, this just remains in a messy situation, and I would personally like to see it play out in either direction before I dabble in myself. Well, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly recap or this weekly premiere for what's about to come. If we find ourselves some nice relative strength early on in the week, I will be on high alert for that, and I will continue to play that. All right, later, guys.